Alright, hi, this is Dylan and welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Monday, 27th of October, so we shall head off with the euro against the US dollar. Alright, so what we are seeing here is that alright, previously it is already running on a rising trend channel, as you can see over here, and then it breaks below, touches a exhaustion level of at the price of 1.2633, and we are seeing price is beginning to rebound as well. Alright, but then again, just take note that while the price is rising within the rising trend channel, it got resisted at the bottom of a previous falling trend channel, and then it began to fall and broke below the minor rising trend channel, which kind of signals that price is about to fall further, and a major retracement for the euro against the US dollar is about to come to an end. But right now we are seeing that price is actually trying to rebound and retrace a little bit further, and therefore we're going to wait for price to reach probably back to the bottom of the previous falling trend channel, or rather the bottom of the rising trend channel that has been just broken, and then we will see if there's a setup for us to go for a short. Alright, so that is for the euro against the US dollar. Next, we shall look at the dollar against the yen. Well, the dollar against the yen has rebounded and begin to appreciate after a major retracement as it touches the support level of 105.153, which is the final exhaustion level measured by the Fibonacci expansion. And then we see that price is rising, and is rising within a rising trend channel. Well, it will look more obvious in the 1 hourly chart. Anyway, it is about to touch the top of the rising trend channel. Well, let's take it as it has touched already, and it's beginning to move sideways, moving closer back to the bottom of the rising trend channel. Alright, so what we can do is that we shall wait for price to hopefully it moves sides. It continues to move sideways, or probably it comes down a little bit, touches the bottom of the rising trend channel. Then we can look for a long opportunity for this for US dollar against the yen. Alright, and of course the first level, if you're gonna look at, is definitely the previous high at the price of 110. So that is for the dollar against the yen. Next, we shall look at the pound against the dollar. Well, like I've said last week itself, there was a falling trend channel initially, and the price has broken above it, came down, got supported again on the upside of the falling trend line, and right now we are seeing the price begins to rebound. Alright, and of course we are also seeing a probable falling trend channel, a big one over here. So since price has been supported at the upside of the falling trend channel, broken previously, and it begins to rebound, we do see that there's a possibility the price will continue to appreciate and all the way back to the top of this falling trend channel. Alright, so we will wait for price to probably touches the top, and probably look for a setup to go for a short. Yep, so that is for the pound against the US dollar. Well, of course, you can also see if there is a chance to go for a long. Right, within another minor rising trend channel. Right, hopefully the price just came down a little bit back to the bottom over here, probably around the price of 1.6040. And if there's a setup to go for a long, that might be a good chance to capture this trend right now. Okay, next we have the New Zealand against the US dollar. Right, this is the 4-hourly chart. So for this pair itself, there was a rising trend channel. Right, as you can see over here, a very nicely a nice setup for the rising trend channel. And what we see is that price has broken below, came out again, and got resisted at the bottom of this rising trend channel. And therefore, zooming into 1 hourly chart, we shall wait to see if there's a reversal candle, and if price and followed by a confirmation to go for a short. But then again, do take note that there seems to be a inverse head and shoulder. Alright, let me just right, as you can see, alright, this is the inverse head and shoulder over here. right, in the 1 hourly chart. So if price were to break above the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder, then the possibility is that price might appreciate further within that trend channel, right, this trend channel I'm talking about. But if it fails and if it starts to come down, form a confirmation over here, then the possibility is that this inverse head and shoulder might be invalid and price will just depreciate further, back to the bottom, I believe, right, the bottom, or rather the previous low at 0.7700. Alright, so that's for New Zealand against the US dollar. And finally, we shall take a look at the pound against Australia dollar. This is a 4 hourly chart, so what we can see there is that there is a falling trend channel as well. But right now, we do see there is a reversal candle forms at the top over here. Alright, confirmation is here already. So price begins to move sideways a little bit, and well, this can be considered as a chance to go for shorts. If price were to be able to break below this rising trend line over here, then that would give a higher possibility that price will eventually fall even further within this falling trend channel, right? But of course, if you were to go in right now, the stop loss level will have to be pretty big, pretty huge, probably about 170 pips away. But of course, on the downside, we are looking at over 200 pips, close to 300. No, it's actually 300 pips exactly. So, well, it can be a good chance to go for a short right now. Just make sure that your lot size is really small, and make sure it's within your risk management as well, right? But of course, if we do see price got supported again at this rising trend channel, it begins to pick up, then it will not be that good, and probably you might want to get out of it if you were going to go for a short right now. Alright, so that is for the pound against the Australian dollar, and of course that's all for today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again.